doing, everybody? Andrew Design here again. I got contacted this week by Aphios from AimTech to create him a YouTube background for his partner channel, Aim Technology. That's what you're seeing right now. The reason that it's so bland in the middle is because of the stupid new YouTube laws which kick in on this March 6th, where we can no longer be creative inside, so you can only really do whatever you want with the outside now, which sucks, but yeah, so that's why this was created. I was hoping to show you guys the making of this, but the software crashed on me. It's a very long video, over an hour in length, and yeah, the stupid Camtasia software crashed, so lost all that video, and there's no way I was going to start again. I was very happy with my end result. So anyway, I hope he likes it. New video coming soon. Thanks very much.